I would like us to solve this exponent using the rules of exponentials. In fact, this is to test your knowledge on how good you are with exponential fractions. And of course, I'll be solving two of these. Then you use this same explanation to try to solve the next one. So I will choose to solve the first one, number 1 and number 3, and using the simplest explanation we'll be using in this expression. You're going to solve the answer of 2. You're going to find the solution of question 2 and comment in this video to tell us which is your answer. Just comment your answer in the comment section of this video. And to remind you, we are preparing another group of questions like this to share with you to have good knowledge on exponentials and also other mathematical problems in different topics like quadratic equations, like for example partial fraction, logarithm, and many more. So if you're interested in those topics, which are broad varieties, then you want to make sure to subscribe to this channel, because that is where we are expertise and we make sure that we pro you to a level that you are very good at mathematics. So let's proceed with the first one, half to the power minus 2. So we have this, I will try to do that, half to the power minus 2. Now, in fact, if you know about the expression of the law of exponent, there is this formula that states that if we have 1 over e to the minus 1, whenever we have something like this, then of course, if minus 1 is at the bottom, then to make it to be balanced, it is the same just as we carry this one up and just allow it to be like that. That is the same as a, as you can see here. It is the same as a to the 1. It means that if we carry this up, as you can see here, and bring it here, the sign is going to change and it's just going to be a to the 1, which is here. But if we have it like this, maybe we have a to the minus 1, which is here. Instead, what we need to do is to make sure that we bring it down. That is, this is going to be the same as 1 over e to the 1. The reason why we are inverting is to make sure that we try to change the sign. So anytime that you have a negative sign on a fraction like this, first priority is to make sure that we change the negative sign of that fraction to a positive sign. And to do that, if it's a negative sign, then we have to carry all the fraction below to make it to be a positive sign. But if it was below of it, for which is having a negative sign, to change it to a positive sign, we'll carry it above. So there are two things. Either you bring it below or you bring it up based on the sign. If the sign is minus, which is up, bring it down. If the sign is minus, which is down, bring it up, as we have expressed here. So it means that for this fraction, we have to say that since it is minus here, we have to say that 1 over all of these, changing the sign to 2. So this will be the same like 1 over everything, which is half, 1 over half. But this time, instead of the sign of the minus, which is here, is going to just be 2 now. It means that when you do like that, you change the sign. Now, in this case, this is the same like 1 over. So 1 to the power 2, that is 1 times 1, or 1 square is 1. As you can see, is 1 over 2 square, because this power is for all of them. 2 square is 4. So the result of this gives you 1 divided by 1 over 4. Remember, 1 divided by 1 over 4. You can still express this as 1 divided by 1 over 4. Now the rule states that when you have something like this, you must change the divide sign to a multiplication sign and bring the fraction to a normal value. In this case, this means that we are going to say, we'll reinvert this again. 1 times, instead of 1 over 4, we bring 4 up, 4 over 1. We invert it. Now it is going to be 1 times 4 is 4 over 1 instead. And 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. So the answer here is 4 for this particular expression. You see, this is a very tricky question. And applying all of this will give you the easy solution. Let's try the next one, which I want to do the next one here, which is the third one. And you are going to do the second one for me and comment your answer in the comment section. Let's try 27. That is 27 with the power minus 1 over 3. Let's do it. 27 having the power minus 1 over 3. You remember I've said that when it is minus, we must try to change the minus sign to positive. Then to do that, we'll say 1 over all of this. So we are going to say that 1 over 27. So the minus sign now changed to 1 over 3. Now this is the same as, remember that this 1 over 3 is a fraction, which of course is carrying the power of all of this. What we can do that is here is that, let's look at the value which if we express by 3. Remember that the below term here is 3. Let's try to use for a very value which 27 can go if we use 3 raising to the power 3. The only that is 3. In other words, whenever you have fraction like this where it is 1/3 or 1/4 or 1 over 2, or you see that there is this power that is having a fraction and there is a given term in terms of expression which can be expressed, look at the value of the 1 over, the value that is down, in this case which is 3, try to express this number or given value in a way that is going to carry the power of 3 so that you can easily cross divide and remove that power. In this case, what can go for 27 is 3 raised to the power 3. Means look for a value which must be raised to the power 3 since this one is 3 here. In other words, this can still be expressed as 1 over, we have 3 raised to the power 3, which is this 27, still times 1 over 3. You get the sense now. Now, since this 1 and this 1 is a diagonal line, that is 1 over 3 and 3, you can see you can easily cancel. Take this one and take this one off. The power is gone away. So we just have now 1 over 3. You get the point now. So 1 over, since this power has already taken off, this has cancelled this, then we have 1 over 3, as you can see here, which is 1/3. So 1 over 3, it is the same like 1 over 3 here, as you can see here. So this means that your answer is 1/3, not 1 over 3 as fraction. As you can see this one, because the 1 is already up, then the 3 has just been down here, so it remains the fraction. So I'd like you to try this one here, 1 over 2 to the minus 1, using the same sense, and comment your answer in the comment section. See you in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.